Yes, welcome back to my YouTube channel is Mobile. I hope that you all are doing good and enjoying your good health. If you're not, then may God bless you with good health. So today's topic is that if your touchscreen is not working properly, so how to fix that issue. So I'll tell you some of the solutions and those will be very helpful for you. So the solution number one is that you have to make sure that your screen is properly clean. If not, then you have to take just a very soft cloth, and you have to just clean your screen. So my screen was already clean. Now for the step number two, what you have to do is that you have to go into settings. So here I'm going into settings, and then I will tell you that how you have to apply this step. So after going into settings, what you have to do is you have to go into general. Now, after going into general, you have to check the software update. If there is one, then you have to update your software now by just tapping on update now. Then again, you have to go back. Now, this solution is also not working. Then, what you have to do? So, you have to again go into settings. So, now we are in settings, and then you have to go into general, and then you have to scroll down, and there's option of shutdown. So, you have to just slide to power off. So you have to follow this solution will work for you. If not, then what you have to do is that you have to follow the next solution that I'm going to tell you. So you have to go into settings. Now after going into settings, you have to go into general, and then you have to go into transfer or reset iPhone. So you have to just reset network settings first. If this will not work for you, then your next step should be reset all settings. So after resetting all settings, this will be resolved. But still, if you are facing this issue, then what you have to do is you have to just go into general. Then there's option of iPhone storage. You have to go into that, and you have to check that if your iPhone storage is full, then you have to just empty your storage by deleting some of the data, or maybe by moving or transferring some of the data. So this will help you guys, because when your iPhone is storage is full, so this will be the issue that your touch screen will not work properly. So this is very common issue and many of the people face it. So don't worry, and just try all of the solutions, and one of them will surely work for you. So thank you so much for watching.